Hey, hi everyone. Welcome everyone. I'm excited to talk with you today about accounting program. So it's 12 p.m. Let's just give a moment for people to join the information session. Let's get started. Agenda for today, as a discount for attending lab today, you will be receiving $100 off for the discount code. And I will go through accounting program information, including the 2 certificates and the courses. What is the enrollment options and the pricing, and how to finance your education. At the end of the information session, there is a Q&A, so feel free to enter your question to the Q&A box in your screen. So just for attending today's information session, you will receive $100 off your first class with us. I will be sending out a follow-up email in the next day or so. So please note this offer cannot be combined with any other discount. Given our limited time today, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on our program structure. You can find a lot of great information on the website. And I also encourage you to contact me if you have any specific question or would like to discuss the best academic plan for you. As you can see, accounting program, it is completely online, and the 4 quarter units of academic credits, which means it's transferable. But whether it can be transferred to the different institution or program, you will need to confirm with the intake institution or program to see whether they accept our credits or not. And the certificate you can take as a whole, or you can take individual courses. There are 2 certificates. Accounting Principles consists of 4 courses. Accounting Specialist program consists of 5 courses in total. And completing the coursework in both certificates meets accounting education requirements for you to sit for the CPA exam. We are following a quarter system currently, and there are 4 quarters in a year. Each quarter is about 3 months long, and we generally recommend that people who are working full-time just taking 1 course per quarter. The first certificate we offer is the Principal Certificate. So this certificate is perfect for individuals with no accounting experience or those who may be working in the field but who don't have formal or recent coursework. Accounting Principal Certificate offers the core coursework similar to an undergraduate manner. So as you can see, you will need to begin with the Principles of Financial Accounting class, which is offered every quarter. All other courses are offered every other quarter. You can see the 4 courses here, and besides the Principles of Financial Accounting is the prerequisite to all the other courses. There is a order of the 2 courses you need to follow. So you will need to take Intermediate Accounting Part 1 prior to Intermediate Accounting Part 2. For the Specialist Certificate, it's designed for those who already have accounting experience and or accounting coursework. So for example, if you minored in accounting as an undergraduate study, this would be the right program for you since you already have the core courses. Once again, the Principles of Financial Accounting from the Principal Certificate program is the required prerequisite. If you have taken this course elsewhere, so please contact me or feel free to email me the transcript, which you have done the coursework within 5 years, so we can conduct a prerequisite review, see if you can be waived of the prerequisite. And as a student, you are not required to take the Principal Certificate prior to pursuing the Specialist Certificate. You will just need to make sure you meet the prerequisite course requirement. As you can see, the 5 courses here, and they are offering in different quarter. You can pursue our certificates in 2 ways, 2 options of the enrollment. at your own pace, which means that you just need to pay for one course at a time and enroll in the certificate program and take courses on a schedule that suits you. And you have 5 years to complete all the coursework. So for example, we are following quota system. If you for your lifetime or for your work schedule, you cannot continuously taking the class quarter by quarter. You can skip some quarters, but you will need to make sure to complete all the required courses within the 5 years to claim your certificate. And you will need to be required to pay the certificate registration fee of $125. Here is you can see our fall schedule starting from September 18 to December 10. And there are 3 courses from Principal Certificate Program and 2 courses from Specialist Program. If you want to take any courses besides the prerequisite, you will need to contact me for the prerequisite review. As for the fast track, the other way is a fast track. So you will need to enroll in the fast track section, and there is a specific course plan. You have to committing to set course plan. Still, you are taking 1 course per quarter continuously, but make sure this plan is right for you since you are committing to this course plan and may incur fees and penalties if you need to make change. Or all courses must be taken with us. And if you pay the lump sum for the fast track, you will have 15% off on all tuition. You have the priority enrollment in classes, which means once you enroll in the fast track, you will be automatically into the different courses in different quarter. Some additional information, again, for people who is interested in sitting for the CPA exam, if you are taking all of the 9 of our courses, means the 36 quarter units, including ethics in accounting course. So the other requirements, I recommend visiting the CPA board, California Board of Accountancy, because there will be some other requirements other than accounting education requirements. There will be business classes requirements. And also you can find a tax prepper service such as Becker test prep. So let's go for the pricing. Textbooks are not included and run about $100 to $200 per course. You can get in cheaper as books as you go online, and also you can read books online. So you can see for the Accounting Principal Certificate Program, if you go with the fast track as a bundle, you will need to pay $2,992 in full at the time of enrollment with a 15% off already. And you will save about $528 on the cost of the program. If you go at your own pace, which means you enroll 1 course at a time and pay as you go, each course tuition is $880, make the total of $3,520. And there will be a one-time non-refundable registration fee of $100, $125. For the Accounting Specialist Certificate Program, the fast track rate is $3,740 in full. And for your own pace, the same price as Accounting Principal course, $880. Textbook will be around $800 in total. Okay, we have covered the pricing. So now let's talk about how you can finance your education. And if you are interested in exploring funding from private loans or government assistance, such as the VA benefits or workforce training, you can contact our student services team. So her name is Suzette. She is a financing advisor. She can help you with the workforce training, private loan, VA funding, some other special funding as well. So I will be including her contact information in the follow-up email as well. There's other free resources from us. We have launched a free career resources to all our students, enrolled students. And you will see this is a career platform. What you can get from the career platform. So you can develop or refine your professional goals. You will get your network built up. You can update your resume, and there will be mock interview included in the platform as well. Now that you have heard all about our program information, it's time for the next step. So our fall course is starting in September. Here's my contact information, and feel free to either schedule a one-on-one meeting with from the Zoom or phone call to discuss furthermore about your accounting academic plan. And we will also email you the follow-up email, including how to finance your education, the code for your $100 coupon, and additional information on the CPA exam. I will include the California Board of Accountancy website for you. And if you have any additional questions, just don't hesitate to contact me. I'm available to set up personal information meeting with you, and you can set up either from Zoom, a Zoom meeting or a phone call. Okay, so let's open up for the Q&A. Feel free to enter the question into the Q&A box, and I will be answer your questions here. You can just enter the questions on the screen. There is a Q&A. Here comes the first question. What if we took managerial accounting and financial accounting? Would those be sufficient for accounting specialist program? Yeah, the same thing. You will need to email me your transcript. So we will need to see whether the curriculum is aligned with us, and we can decide if you can straightforward accounting specialist program. So just jot down my email and feel free to send me your transcript. For at your own pace, do you guys have payment plan option? No, for your own pace, there is no payment option. So you will need to, the whole course tuition, let's say if you enroll one course at a time, pay as you go, the full tuition amount is due upon enrollment. Do you need GE requirements to take this certificate? No, there's no requirements for you from prior like undergraduate general education. No, there's no requirement for that. Only the requirement is that if you are going with accounting principal certificate, you will need to start with the prerequisite class. Or if you are interested in accounting specialist, just let me know. We will need to see if you will need to take a prerequisite course together with the accounting specialist program. What if we have a difficulty help in the course? Is there helping tutoring available? What books needed? How would grading be done per course? Yeah, that question, yeah. So we are using the online learning platform Canvas. So the text message function, instructors available, which means that if you have a question, you can text or email instructor to get immediate help in the course. And for the books, before each quarter starts, there will be textbook information on the website, depending on which course you are going to enroll. So you will find out textbook information on our website, and you can start to purchase online. The grading will be including assignments, homework. So the class is moving from one week to the next. There are weekly due assignments and homework. So you will need to just make sure that you can complete all the weekly due assignments and homework on time, and you can move forward to the next week's schedule. Are classes all online? Yeah, all the classes are online, and there's no schedule you need to follow. We'd recommend about 12 hours per week for one class. So which means that on a weekly basis, depending on your working schedule, you can decide how many hours and which day you want to take the class on your own pace. So which means, for example, some people, they prefer taking a couple of hours per day, or some people, they prefer to take the class over the weekend. Are the book costs included in the overall cost? No, the overall cost is just for the tuition. Any other questions? Would this be a good program accounting specialist if we are considering nonprofit accounting? We have many students, they are from public sector and taking the governmental accounting class. For some kind of a public sector, they require for that. So that's really depends on your background and what you are looking for. How long is the fast track program? And versus the at your own pace. Okay, here's the situation. The fast track and your own pace is matter of payment option. So for the fast track, you're really taking the advantage of 15% off, pay the lump sum. For the own pace, it's just you pay individual course at a time. But for all the courses schedule are the same. So which means that if you're in the fast track, you still follow the quarter by quarter. All the classes are the same, curriculum are the same. You are from a fast track program and own pace, people are taking the class at the same time, at the same class. So just matter of payment options will be different and the commitment. Any more questions? Or feel free to jot down my email and my Calendly link so that you can schedule one-on-one meeting with me to discuss furthermore about your schedule, your plan. Or you can just feel free if you have already done some prerequisite course, which you think that is equivalent to our prerequisite class, feel free to email me the transcript so I can forward to our program manager for prerequisite course review and let you know if you are waived of the prerequisite class. Any other questions for today? Or you will be receiving my email possibly tomorrow. And feel free to schedule or email me more questions about your academic plan. I can help you with the course plan and also the prerequisite review. Great. No more questions. Thank you today for attending our information session today. So you will be receiving the email, including the information tuition discount coupon code. And feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions about the program. Thank you for your time.